Hello children, welcome back. I am Shashikala from Upper Public School. Today I am going to teach the mathematics for the class 4. So for the SA1, how much the portion we have taken? Today I am going to revise the chapter from 1st to 5th chapter. So we have for the SA1 chapter first chapter to 5th chapter. So today I'm going to revise one more time the chapter first, that is the numbers and the numeration. So we can use the numbers in any way. So for counting, to count the number, to count the things, we can use the numbers 1, 2, 3. So naturally we can count by 1, 2, 3. And after, if we need to buy something, so the things, how many things we are going to buy, we can count using the numbers. So numbers are very useful to us. So let's learn about the numbers and numeration. In the first chapter, going to revise one more time. So the first topic is extension of numbers. How to extend the numbers? Let's learn about the extension of numbers. Do you know, children, what is the smallest one-digit number? I think you may guess the smallest one-digit number is the 0. But the 0, obviously it is the smallest number, but we cannot say it is the smallest number because the 0 has no value. When we taking with other number, then the 0 will get the value. It means after 0, counting numbers will start from 1. We are not starting from the 0. So we can start from 1. So the smallest one-digit number we can consider here 1. So what is the smallest one-digit number? Smallest one-digit number is the smallest one-digit number is equal to 1. It means the smallest one-digit number is 1. It means the greatest one-digit number will be 9. The greatest one-digit number is equal to 9. The last one single digit, the greatest one-digit number is 9. After the 9, what will get? 9. If you are adding 1 with the 9, we'll get 2-digit number. So after 9, we get 2-digit number. So this is the greatest one-digit number. The smallest one-digit number is 1, and the greatest one-digit number is 9. So what is the smallest 2-digit number? The greatest one-digit number after we will get the smallest 2-digit number. 9 after what we get? The smallest 2-digit number is equal to, what is the 9 after what we will get? 10. So 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Got children? So here 9 is the greatest one-digit number, 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. So on we can learn the smallest one-digit number is 1 and the smallest the 2-digit number is 10 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, so smallest and greatest. The smallest one-digit number is the smallest one-digit number and the 2-digit number. Let's find what are those. Okay. The smallest one-digit number is 1. The greatest one-digit number is 9. 9 after we will get 10. It means 1 and 0. 2-digit we will get. So that is the smallest 2-digit number. And the greatest 2-digit number, last before 100 we will get greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. So 99 is the greatest 2-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number is 99 after what we'll get? We'll get 100. 100 means 100. So we get 3-digit numbers. So the greatest 3-digit number is 999. So we can find what is the smallest 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is 999. After, if you are taking plus 1 if you are adding, then we'll get the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. It means what is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. So on we can learn the smallest 1-digit number is 1, smallest 2-digit number is 10, smallest 3-digit number is 100, smallest 4-digit number is 1000, and the greatest 1-digit number is 9, greatest 2-digit number is 99, greatest 3-digit number is 999, and the greatest 4-digit number is 9990, and so on we can get children. So how to extend the number till 6 digit? The 5-digit means the smallest 5-digit number 9999 will get after 10,000. So here again 99,999 will get as the greatest 5-digit number. So on we can extend the number, children. Next one is number on a abacus. How to represent number on a abacus? For example, one number I am going to take here 2, 4, 6, 8. First, we have to identify in which place a digit is being. This is ones place, tens place, 100 and thousands place. Okay. So 8 is being in the ones place, and 6 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the hundreds place, and 2 is in the thousands place. First, we have to draw the abacus. Okay, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, after we have to mention the digits. Which digit in the ones place? 8. And 6 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the hundreds place, and thousands place is 2. Okay, so how we have to represent on the abacus? Using the beads, we have to represent 8 in the ones place. In the ones place, how many are there? 8. So 8 beads can be mentioned here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads have to mention. Here in the tens place, we have 6. So digit 6. How many beads have to mention here? 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on we have to mention the next also. Here 4. In the 100 place, we have 4. It means the value of 4 is 400. So we can mention beads. How many beads we have to mention here? 4 beads. Here 2 beads. Only 2. It means 2468 we can mention on the abacus. Okay. So if we are having one more digit here in the 10,000 place. So one more digit we are having in the 10,000 place, 0. So how we have to mention as the 0? No need to mention. We have to keep the empty. Okay. So 0 means we can keep as it is. No need to mention any bits. Understand, children? So like this we have to know the abacus rule. Okay. So the next one is Indian and International Place Value Chart. First, we have to know the Indian system. In Indian system, majorly we will use 9 digits. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. How many digits we are using? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digits in the Indian system. We are using 9 digits. So here we can make it in the Indian place value chart. So this is the Indian place value chart. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. So Indian, according to Indian, system, we have to arrange the period wise. This is one's period. One's period. This is the periods. These are the place values. Okay. These are the place values. These are the periods. See here, ones, tens, 100 are coming in the ones period, and 1000 and 10,000 are coming in the thousands period. Thousands period. Understand? And lakh and 10 lakh, it is in the lakhs period. Okay? Lakhs period. And this is crores period. Okay? This is the crores period. So, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period we have to learn. But in this fourth class, we are going to learn till only the 10 lakhs. So, if here we are having 2, 4, 1, 0, 1 and 3. So, how we have to mention it according to period wise? In the Indian system, this 3 is in the ones place, this is in the 1 is in the tens place, and 0 is in the hundreds place. So, this is one period. So, how to mention? By putting the comma, we have to separate the periods. By putting comma, we have to separate the periods. See here, ones period 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after we have to mention the comma. After in the thousands place, we have 4, and 10,000 place, we have 2. So, here thousands period is also completed. So, after completing thousands period, using the comma, we have to make it separate for the thousands period. Got children? After lakh, in the lakh place, if you don't have anything, one more example, you can take it here. 7 and 8 we have in the 10 lakh and lakhs place. So, by separating the lakhs period, we have to use it 8 and 7. 7 is in the 10 lakh place, 10 lakh place, and the 8 is in the lakhs place. So, how we have to read this? This is one period, this is one period, and this is first. We have to separate it ones period, that is ones, tens, 100. These 3 digits are coming in the ones period. Okay, and these 2 digits, 4 and 2. 4 is being in the thousands place, and 2 is in the 10,000 place. So this is in the thousands period. So I can make it separate by putting the comma. Then after in the lakhs place, 8 is there, and in the 10 lakh place, 7 is there. So 78 is the lakhs period. So we can mention it separately. So how we have to read in the Indian system? 78 lakh, 24,000, 13. In the 100 place, we don't have any number, so we can read directly 13. Okay. So like this only in the international system also we can read children. For example, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here we get 100,000. Here 10,000 after we get in the Indian system lakh, but we will get in the international system. This is the international, this is the Indian, this is the international. Okay, this is the international system we are going to learn now. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. After we will get million. Then after 10 million. Here I am going to mention ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. After 100,000 we will get million, 10 million. After 100 million. What children? Ones, tens, 100. It will come in the ones period. Okay. After 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 will come in the thousands period. 10,000 period, and million, 10 million and 100 million will come in the millions period. Okay, this is millions period. So, for example, here I am using some digits 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the international system, every third digit we have to make it a separate period. So this is the period I told now only. This is the period and this is the place value. Okay. So what is the period here? Ones, tens, 100 are having the ones period, and 1000, 10,000, 100,000 is in the thousands period. This is one period separate. And after million, 10 million and 100 million are in the millions period. So how we have to represent by putting the comma, how to represent using the periods? Once you observe 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the digits I am using here. So 8 is in the ones place, tens place is 7, and 6 is in the hundreds place. So this is ones place. In the ones place we got 3 digits. Okay. After here 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is thousands period. Okay. By putting the comma we have to separate the periods. So arrange in the period wise means we have to arrange like this. Ones, tens, 100 in the ones period, and 1000, 10,000, 100,000 in the thousands period, and million, 10 million and 100 million are in the millions period. So according to period wise we have to mention it. So how to read according to period wise means, see here. How many are there here? 5, 4, 3. It means 543 million. We have to read so 543 million 245,678. We have to read it. So, got children? So, how we have to read according to period wise? Without mentioning periods, we cannot read properly. So, before going to read the numbers, we have to mention the periods. So, international system, every third digit we have to use the periods. And in Indian system, first after third digit, then after two digit we have to mention the periods. So in the Indian system, one stands after one period, and 1000 and 10,000 after the thousands period will be complete. But here in the international system, one stands 100 after one period, then after the thousands period will be 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 3 digit will get in the thousands period in the international system. So in the millions period also same. So in the international system, every third digit we have to make it separate to put the comma. By using the comma, we can separate the periods. So in the Indian system, already I told that third digit after first comma and the second will be remaining all every 2 digit after we can mention it. Okay, so we learned the Indian and international system, replace value chart, how to mention with the Indian system and the international system. In the Indian system, we can take it 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. But in the international system, 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So how we have to read? First, what is it? Millions period? 543 millions. 543 millions. 245,678. We have to read so. But here we have to read 78 lakh 24,030. We have to read in the Indian system. So according to Indian system, we are going to follow only 9 digits. According to international system, we are going to use 12 digits. So million after we will get billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Got children? So let's learn next place value and the face value. what is the place value and face value? See here, one number I am going to take here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how we have to mention with the according to Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we need to find the place values. How we will get the place values? See, 7 is being in the ones place. So the place value of 7 into 1. So the place value is nothing but the product of digit which is being in the value, place value. So the product of the value and the digit. Place value is nothing but the product of digit and the place value. So place value is 1, 7 is the digit, 7 ones are 7. So the place value of 7 is 7. Got children? And what is the place value of 6? 6 is being in the tens place. So we can take it 10. It means the place value is product of the digit and the place value. What is the place value? 10 is the place value, and what is the digit here given? 6. So it means 6 tens are 60. What is the place value of 6? 60, because 6 is being in the tens place. Product of the digit and also the place value is a place value of 6 we need find here. After, what is the number of in the hundreds place? 5. 5 is in the hundreds place. So product of digit and place value. What is the place value here? 100 is the place value. So what is the digit? 5 is the digit. So place value of 5 into 100, 500. So the place value of 5 is 500. Got children? Next we have 4. The 4 is in the thousands place. Okay, so 4 into what is the place value of 4,000? So we can take it 1000. So the product of digit and the place value, we will get the digits value. So what is the place value of 4? 4,000. Got children? Place value of 4 is 4,000. Next we have 3 here. So 3 is in which place the 3 is the 3 is being in the 10,000 place. So we can take it 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 will be 30,000. Got children? 3 into 10,000, 30,000. So the place value of 7 is 7 because it is in the ones place. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 5 is 500 and the place value of 4 is 4,000. Place value of 3 is 30,000. So on we can mention it. Now we learned what is the place value. But what is the face value? Face value means nothing but a digit itself is the face value. Face value is nothing but face value of 7, a digit itself. Okay. The face value of 7, 7. Face value of 6, 6. Face value of 5, 5. A digit itself is the face value. We cannot multiply with any place values here. Face value means the digit as it is. Itself we can take it. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value is nothing but a digit itself is the face value. Understood children? It means place value and the face value are the different. Face value is a digit itself. Place value is in which place a digit is belongs. It will get value of that place value. For example, 6 is being the tens place. It will get the value of tens. So it means 6 is in the tens place. So it will get the 60. 60 is the place value. So difference between place value and face value we have to learn from this method. Okay. After, how to read and write the large numbers. The fifth bit is how to read and write the large numbers. For example, here one large number I am going to take. Okay. So in Indian system and also in international system. First we have to mention it in Indian system. Okay, in Indian system. According to Indian system, first we have to mention the periods. How to mention the periods? Ones, tens, hundred. After ones, tens, hundred, after by using the comma, this is ones period. Then after 1000 and 10,000 will be the thousands period. Got children? Ones period, and according to Indian system, international system, it is the different. So ones, tens, hundred, it is in the ones period. Okay, and after this is 1000 and 10,000 in the thousands period, and after this is lakh, 10 lakh. So here after thousands period, we have to mention it 2 digit as the lakhs period. Got it, children? So how we have to arrange with the period wise? Ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is the separate ones period, thousands period, and lakhs period. According to period wise, we mentioned here. Using the periods only, we have to read the numbers. How to read the numbers? 24 lakh. It is in the lakhs period. So read the 24 lakh, 94,000, and after 245, we have to read it. But how to write it in the Indian system? Words, in the words 24 lakh 94,000 94,200 245. We have to mention it like this. Okay. So here reading and writing. How to read the numbers means we have to first arrange with the period wise. After arranging period wise, 24 lakh 94,000 thousands and 245. We have to write it in the Indian system. Same number if you are going to write in the international system. Here also we have to arrange in the first arrange according to period wise. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and after million. How we have to mention the periods? Every third digit after ones, tens, hundred. This is ones period, and after 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is the thousands period, and this is in the millions period. So how we have to write it in the international system? In the international system, how we have to write it? 2,494,245. How we have to write? We can read 2,494,245. So how to write? 2 million 490 494,000 and 245. So on we have to mention it in the international system. In international system, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 after million. How we have to read it? 2,494,245. Here also while writing 2 millions, this is millions period, 2,494,000 and 245. We have to write it so on. Okay, children. In the revision portion, the first chapter, we learned how to extend the number and how to present in the on the abacus, and what is the international and Indian system, and how to mention with the Indian and international system, and what is the place value and face value, and how to read and write the large numbers. We learned in this session. In the next session, going to learn the next topics in the revision. Okay, so till that we have to you have to practice these all for the SA1. We are going to revise. So now the next topics will be continuing in the next session. Okay, thank you.